Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about summer. Summertime. Did you know what God promises shortly after Noah from Noah's in the ark when he and his family landed? Well, it says this in Genesis 8:22. It says, as long as the earth endures, this is God speaking, he says seed time and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease. You know, there's a rhythm to the year. Seasons change and repeat year after year. Is that true where you live? Well, listen in to Psalm 74 verses 17. Here's what it says. It says this. It says, it was you who set all the boundaries of the earth. You made, God, both summer and winter. Summer, it is God's idea. Did you know that? That this year, as you enter into the summer season and as you're enjoying the new routines that summertime often brings, remember that summer is God's idea. Well, the psalmist who wrote Psalm 74, he's talking about the hardship in that entire psalm and the confusion around the destruction of the temple in Jerusalem when the Babylonians conquered them. The psalmist is expressing these questions. He's saying, like, how long, God, will this pain last? He's saying, none of us know how long this will be. Yet halfway through the verse, and about verse 12, the focus shifts from the trouble and the problem and the heartache to remembering who God is and what he has already done in the past, how he has saved, provided, and even established. And then in verse 17, it tells us that God set all the boundaries of earth, that he made both summertime and wintertime, that God reigns always, no matter what today's circumstances are. Think about that. Summer is God's idea, and summer has always come back around year after year, season after season. Eventually, school's out and gardens start. Maybe it's the time when you go on family vacations, family gatherings start happening. Maybe you go camping. Summer comes back around with its new routines every year. So today, let that truth that summer is God's idea and seasons come back around year after year because God said they would. Let those two truths invite you to remember God often as you go about summer and enjoy it. Pause every so often this summer and think, God, you made this. I recognize that. Maybe you can say, God, you were faithful in summers past. You'll be faithful now, and you'll be faithful in future summers. Summer, it's God's idea. Let's remember him this summer.